In today's video, I'm going to teach you Lovable AI Supabase Integration. How to set up and fix. We'll walk through creating a new Supabase project, connecting it to Lovable, and making sure your application can use that connection reliably. By the end, you'll have a clean, authorized link between the two platforms and a few simple fixes if something doesn't work on the first try. Start by opening the Supabase dashboard and signing in. From the main workspace, create a new project. You'll see an option to start a new project. Select it, then proceed to create new project. Give your project a clear name and make sure you're creating it under the correct organization, especially if you have access to multiple workspaces. Choose the region that's closest to your users for best performance, and wait a moment for Supabase to provision everything. When the project appears in your dashboard, you're ready to connect it to Lovable. Now switch over to Lovable, open your account settings and go to the connectors or integrations area. Find Supabase in the list and select it. From there, open Manage Connected Organizations so you can control which Supabase organizations Lovable can access. Choose Add More Organizations to begin the authorization flow. You'll be redirected to Supabase to grant access. Click Authorize Lovable to confirm. Be sure the organization shown here is the one that owns the project you just created. If you don't see the right one, switch organizations in the Supabase prompt or go back and try again from Lovable's connectors page. After authorizing, you should return to Lovable with your organization listed as connected. With the connection in place, head back to your application and link it to Supabase. In your Supabase project settings, you'll find the project URL and the public client key you can use on the client side. Keep any secret keys on the server only and never expose them in public code. In Lovable or your app's configuration, paste the URL and the appropriate key to initialize the Supabase client. Save your changes, then test by performing a quick read or listing a table to confirm the connection works. If the connection fails, double check you authorize the correct organization, verify the project is active, and ensure you copied the URL and key from the same project. Refresh the Lovable integrations page to confirm the organization shows as connected. As a last resort, remove the connection in Lovable and reauthorize through Supabase. That's it. Your Lovable AI and Supabase integration is set up. Congratulations.